What's happening, guys? I'm Aiden from DK Tune. Today's video is on this gorgeous BMW 320i, which has come in for quite a bit of work. So it is having a stage 1 map, which is actually being mapped on now. The mirror covers have been taken off, and Hayden, our wrapper, is doing the carbon fibre for that as well. We also have a splitter going on the car, which we're hydro dipping at our Nottingham branch, and we also have a K&N that we've fitted as well. So I'm going to show you a couple of cinematics, a little bit of slow-mo and stuff, and then we're going to take it out and see what it's like. What's happening, guys? We're just going out with Jake in the remapped 320i just to see what it's like, give it a quick test drive before we give it back to the customer. So yeah, we're just going to do a couple of little pulls, make sure everything's all right, and hopefully it'll be a happy customer like all the others. That feels all right. Yeah, it feels really good actually, guys. Obviously it's naturally aspirated, so we aren't getting massive gains or anything, but it does feel really, really responsive. It's straight to the punch now. Sounds nice as well, doesn't it? Nice sounding engine. Yeah. Sounds really nice. And obviously we have the K&N up front as well, which has now been mapped in as well, which probably helps with the response. With the better cold airflow and stuff as well, and the nice gravelly tone to the engine as well. So yeah, a really nice little car. And that's the BMW done, guys. So as you saw from the video, it sounded loads better, and it did go pretty decent as well. And the little bits that we put on them just made the car look loads better. So if you want, like him, these little bits doing and the map as well, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.